This is Charles. He will be assisting you today with lockout tagout.
Learning how to de-energize the CNC is critical to your safety. Your shop's electrical and air components will look different than this one, but the principles of operation are the same. You need to always be aware of the energy state of the CNC. In this exercise you will be presented with some problems that can occur while operating the CNC machine. This is a simplified version of the OSHA lockout, tagout procedure you saw in the video. Power off the machine. Now, grab the lock and tag from the cabinet and lock the electrical system by snapping the lock to the red sphere. Press the power test button on the control panel. Electricity has been successfully shut off. Now that the power is out, you can move on to the next step on your checklist. Disable pneumatic control. Use the lever on the wall labeled pneumatic control. Disable pneumatic control. Bleed air lines. Pneumatic controls has been successfully shut off. Now that the pneumatic system is out, you can move on to the next step on your checklist. Turn off hydraulic control. Bleed hydraulic line. Hydraulic controls has been successfully shut off. Now that the hydraulic system is out, you can move on to the next step on your checklist. Grab the lock from the cabinet and lock the CNC lathe.